Hello guys and welcome back to this video. So I've been receiving a lot of messages, okay, about Ubit exchange, about their withdrawal issue and all of that, guys. Okay, so I just want to make this video to address that. As you can see on this screenshot right here, okay, this is one of you who actually contacted the customer support, and according to the customer support, Ubit exchange was hacked. All right. I just hope it's not one of those normal stories of maintenance of being hacked. But I hope that Ubit will do something about it, because they first started by delaying withdrawals and then approve it on a later run. And now if I go to my asset option and I try to make withdrawal right here, okay, let's go to overview and let's try to make withdrawal. You'll see that every withdrawal option right here has been suspended. So if I go to the withdraw option, okay, everything has been suspended. You can see any token at all you want to withdraw from the Ubit exchange, everything has been suspended. Okay, so I want to believe it's because of this screenshot. Okay, and then different groups and all of that, the promoters of this platform have been saying, oh, they are working on it. Okay, somebody even went as far as requesting for their hot wallet or whatever that is. Okay, and then they have been tracking the wallet, right? Remember, we've done this thing. Remember when we're tracking the wallet for COTP and all of that, right? We tracked and tracked and tracked and got tired. But the thing is, okay, from the look of things, from the responses we've been getting from the support, they say they are working on it. So right now, you cannot convert, you cannot make any withdrawal from the platform. All right. And then for the earnings, okay, for the earnings, there were some, I don't know, some irregularities on the earnings, and someone even went as far as even contacting customer support on that and all of that. All right. So I don't know. I don't know what else to say, guys. Okay, I don't know what else to say to you right here. The investment option, everything is going through, but it's just withdrawals that has been halted for now. So if you're out there and you're planning to put money into Ubit, please, I will advise that you allow the system to stabilize first. Okay, once you start seeing activities, you will now start responding. But this thing will now trigger fear into a lot of people. Ubit, I don't know if you are listening to this, okay? These things, if you don't take care of it, I know some persons are justifying this issue, saying, this exchange halted withdrawals, but it doesn't take this long. All right, exchanges halt withdrawals for a particular network when the network is congested. Okay, but it doesn't take this long. All right, it doesn't take this long. This is getting to a month now, withdrawals issue and all of that. All right, so if you do this thing, definitely you're putting fear into people's body, right? I know people who have a lot of money into this thing. All right, I know people who have a lot of money into this thing, but for the fact that they know some of these persons who are behind this stuff, definitely to come back up. So when Ubit come back up, from my own, I did 1 year staking. All right, so I would need to wait till next year around this time or so before I can actually get access to my money. But maybe the profit is what I can get hold of once withdrawals are actually enabled. So they are working on it. All right, just keep an eye on the stuff, and let your daily earnings keep dropping. Hopefully when they sort out all of this issue, you'll be able to withdraw your money. Okay, I don't have any say on this. I just told you what I was doing and all of that, with the warning that this kind of risks are involved with these things. All right, I've been emphasizing on it. This kind of risks, okay, comes with such platform, right? Any platform at all that promises you percentage and all of that, definitely, because of, I don't know, okay, either maintenance issue, hacking issue, all of these things will keep coming up. So just be careful out there. If you really want to make money trading, which is what I actually do with the community on Telegram, make sure you join us on Telegram, right? Learn how to trade and start trading crypto yourself. Okay, crypto trading is not something you say I don't have time, right? You can do it whenever you have time. Right, you can do crypto trading on weekends. You can do it during your break. You can do it, during your spare time, whether it is midnight, it is in the afternoon, it is early in the morning before you go to work, or late in the evening when you come back from work. There is always opportunity to trade crypto. All right, learn to do these things yourself. And then if you cannot trade crypto, why not just learn how to DCA into some of these crypto projects? Those who started buying crypto just this year alone, from January to this year, their accounts are all by, I published a video recently of how somebody was buying BTC, okay, every day, $30 worth of BTC. And these guys did this thing for 7 years plus. And that's $80,000 worth of BTC that he bought, that he has been buying every day, is now worth $1 million. Right? Those are cool investment, right? That you carry $80,000 and put in a bank, you will not get up to that return in 10 years, right? But those are the kind of investments you can do. But if you want to earn your daily bread, like some of us do, you join us in trading features, and in trading features you learn how to do that stuff, okay, and you trade. Or you can leverage on our signals. We provide you with the signals, provide you with all the calls. Join us on Telegram and see how to do that, okay? While you learn how to trade, while you trade to make money, wait for Ubit to fix their issue. All right, hopefully by January everything will be up and running, then you can withdraw your money. Okay. As for the money you stake, those of you who joined and did 1 year staking and the rest, you have to wait for 1 year before you get access to the initial capital. But for the profit, you can be getting it every day. That is it for this video. That's the only update I have. Okay. According to that chart, Ubit Exchange was hacked, so they are trying to fix everything right now. That's why they had to, suspend all withdrawals. So just hold on. When everything is normal, you'll be able to withdraw from it. Okay. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, okay, for subsequent update, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, give the video a like, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.